up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a flag right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Summer G's, right now it's Sunday morning right now, and it look like rain I go fall for the whole day. Troubles are going this easy, no doubt. Me not have one disbelief say Troubles are gonna lose the fight here. To me it's impossible. Remember a long time I know Troubles. I know Alfred, and Alfred can't beat Troubles. Alfred cannot beat Troubles. It's impossible. Impossible for Alfred win Troubles. So my money depend Troubles 100%. Me say what if I say Team Alfred, Team Troubles, me say it's that simple. Summer G's, right now it's actually the time for fight. It finally boiled down to the time to fight. We know that we've been to do this and we've been to talk about this for like a month now. But I wonder if you don't understand that today is the time. Right now, it will be decided if Troubles can knock out Alfred, or if Alfred can knock out Troubles. Una don't see the hype around Troubles already. Troubles claims him go win easily. Alfred claims him go win easily. That make it more exciting. Journey with me. There we go.
So right now we are out here. You ready? Nothing to say. Champion take. Yo, what going on right now?
Yeah? Yo, get this to
Fight.
War time.
Right now we're there on the field right now, ready for fight. This brother is getting very impatient because he want to fight, and Troubles team still no sign. Them still a chat. One if a chatting, watch them. And my guy right here just want to knock somebody out.
Right about now, Flank World, my G's. Today is actually the big day. The anticipated fight everybody await one for around 2 months now is finally gonna happen right now. We now upload no more vlog. We now see nothing more before we see this. It happen today. Alfred Troubles. Right now, one of the two fighters them step up to me right now. Alfred over here, so Troubles over here, so. People, them they here, and we're ready, and it go down. It go down today. But before the fight go down, we are gonna just do the national anthem. You know what I mean? Illusion to the national anthem.
Eternal Father, bless our land, guide us with thy mighty hand, keep us free from evil powers, be our life through countless hours. To our leaders, great defenders, and true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love.
So right about now, fighters to my right, fighters to my left. I want a clean and professional fight. Anytime I say part, on the part, right? Right? All right, we have to have 3 2-minute rounds. Yeah. Punch clubs and separate. Round 1. 1 minute round. Fight.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Separate. All right, separate. Break. Back.
He needs some milk. He needs some milk.
Coach doing the job right now.
Yeah, keep up. I'll give you like a really. Leave me associate me. Yo, more beef. Put some more water. Give me a bucket. Let me see how our team is doing over there. Yeah, you ready? So, my G's them. Boy, okay, give me a uppercut. Yeah, so I don't know when him lick me. But him shake up my head. Nah, like. Good luck him.
Come on, protect your head.
Feel like you not lick me, man. Lick me.
Protect it. Right now in the fight, we have everybody in them corner. We soon link up again. Round 2, about to go off right now. 1 minute, coming soon right now.
So right now, we have round 2.
Kick it off.
Yo, my G's, the fight here too funny, yo. Look how Chabas have beat up Alfred, dog.
Separate. Together. Don't turn your back. Separate. Don't turn your back, fight. Stop turning your back. Fight. Separate. Go on to the tire. A gal game.
No.
Ready? Ready?
We're too much faster, you know.
Separate.
Coach Lucian over here.
Right now the fight, it's going crazy, it's going good. They might turn them back too much and they might get tired too easy. Which me know say that did a go on because they not fit. Both of them not fit. You know what I mean? Them two of them mid fat basically.
What do you think of your points so far?
Right now, 1 point, Chabas win.
So what do you think about what the referee say you having the upper hand right now?
I just speed and slowing down the game, you know. I have to put my head in the game, you know.
Yeah.
Boy, I show some deadly punch.
Alright.
But I have to just know him weak spot, you know?
Alright.
There's one problem me have. Stop turning the back. That's it. It's a good fight so far. Right now, we are in the last round, the third round, the final round. So there's only 1 more minute, guys. Fighter to my right, fighter to my left. Keep it clean, same way as Mr. Stop turning your back, stop turning your back. Wanna ready? Touch gloves. 1 minute. Let's do it. Separate, stop turning about. 1. Fighter to my right, you're good? You give up? You can call if you want to. Separate. You give up? You give up? In good. Fighter. You alright for fight? You good? You sure you're alright for fight? I'm going to continue with you. You sure? You sure you're ready for fight? You want to call it?
It's alright now. How you feeling right now, Chaba?
Alright. Okay, I'm actually call it.
So Chaba can win.
Yeah! It's actually Chaba. Okay, I'm actually call it.
But I'm a brother still.
You know what I mean? Everybody come. Okay, put in a good fight. Chaba's put in a good fight. The only problem is them need for just going at the gym, work on certain things. Coming out to them tired like that. Tired like that. But it's a good fight. It was a good and clean fight. I like the fight. It was brilliant. For them go 2.5 round basically, it was good. Me never expect them to go so far because I know them never fit basically. But then, other part from that, it was a good fight. So we have to eat up for the 2 fighters. Okay. Good, me G? Sure.
Yeah, stop me right to go. I'm say shit. Gang.
So right now we're there here, we just reached back in the crib. But Alfred actually have somewhere where I have to go right now. Money never stop, incoming fight, all of that. But as I said, money never stop. It was a good fight. Going to Miami right now. You know what I mean? So we over here with the victor.
So Blackbird,
How was the fight personally?
alright, personally, let me tell you how was the fight. Booba right there.
6.
Okim over there, and Ricky right there. Lucian them forward. Alright, personally, I don't Okim. I never expect Okim to show them punch there. But you might see we a fight wild. Yeah, we did a fight wild. Cause the time when you lick me I saw myself, you are serious now? Oh, no cursing for your vlog, sorry BG. But when he took me I saw, like me I get shook up after that. Me have to start swing punch. So most I punch them want to see me show. There might be no land, but some of them connect still. But it was a nice fight. Me didn't want to go a little longer. But Okim did tired and I guess the last punch I punch him start by like a baby.
This is the Chavas I was waiting for. Hey!
Look here! This ain't gonna beat me up! Alright, see that?
But everything is love. Everything is straight love.
Let me go. I make you laugh off of me. Now look at this nerd. I knocked him out, kill him off the ball. No, me done. I like referee.
No, you was right there.
He was like, me done.
The business is not here.
He wants to be done. He can't say no, he can't do it. Yo, so when you go buy the food for the homeless?
I still like catch my breath.
When you go buy the food for you homeless? Can you lose?
We're ready.
Alright, so
Vlog,
which day are you free?
Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
Alright, so no, we can't wait till Friday. Friday too long. Alright, we'll wait till Friday. So you buy, how much Dutch pot food may you say again?
20.
20? 20 Dutch pot food. So you have to go buy 20 Dutch pot food Friday. People, no tag him and men buy, we're going to feed the homeless Friday.
All of us are going to help.
And all of we are going to help, but Okim, I pay that bill there. 20 Dutch pot food. I win. Oh! Oh! We are the champion, my friend! We're not no liquor right now. Give me a water bottle, make my boss a water bottle. Boy, on the shirt stretch out, the boy I see.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.